Hello again. Today I want to show you how to make a very frugal and very delicious chicken and rice casserole. It's quite easy to make and it should take you an hour and a half from the beginning to the end. So let's begin and let's have some fun cooking. Okay, the ingredients for this: you will need 3 cups of rice, 1 can of cream of mushroom, 1 can of cream of chicken. You can use any brand you prefer. Use empty can to fill it up with milk and with water. 3 cups of cheese and 3 chicken breasts. The best way to mixing the ingredients for the casserole is to use 2-quart mixing bowl. You can use plastic, stainless steel, whichever one works for you. Combine 2 soups together, chicken and mushroom, add milk to it and water. So you want to put all the wet ingredients together and mix them well with rice. The reason to mix this so well is you do not want to have lumps of individual chunks of the soup, so you just want to combine this together so it's well mixed and so all the flavors are distributed evenly. To this add about 2.5 or even 2 cups of cheese. The remaining cheese we're going to sprinkle on top. If you want to put more cheese inside the casserole, go for it. If you want to have more cheese on top, it's your preference, whichever way you like it. I kind of like to have a little bit more cheese in the casserole and a little bit less on top, but I know everybody's taste is different. So once this is mixed together, put it on the side and we're going to be cutting some chicken. The best way to cut the chicken is underneath the cutting board, put a little bit of paper towel, wet it so the board doesn't slide. Take the 3 pieces of chicken breast. I know every size is different, but it's up to you. You can use more chicken, you can use less chicken. Slice them in a little strips, and I like to use all those chicken breasts because I like plenty of chicken in my casserole. But if you want to use less, it's up to you. Pour the casserole into the sprayed 9x13 pan. Spread it evenly. It's not very important to smooth the casserole with such a perfection like I'm doing, but that's me. I am kind of perfectionist. So now just take the chicken and line them up into the casserole, push them into the rice and soup mixture. Once you accomplish this, use all the chickens you have, just squish them everywhere and spread it with a spatula. Cover all with the rice so the chicken is kind of in the middle of the casserole. It's very important to kind of hide inside so everything will be baked evenly. Take the aluminum foil, cover it, take the knife or fork and make 3 nudges on the aluminum foil so you can have a little bit of ventilation, and put it in the oven. For about an hour, between 45 to hour and 10 minutes, depends on your oven. Bake it at 350 degrees. Pull it out, sprinkle some the remaining of the cheese over the top. Make sure first, before you put the cheese, take the fork and check if your chicken it's done. It's very important to make sure the chicken is completely cooked. And once you sprinkle the cheese on top, do it all nicely and evenly. You can put it back in the oven, no foil needed, and just leave it there for about 5 to 10 minutes until cheese melts. And here we go. It's your casserole, ready to go and ready to enjoy to eat. Bon appetit!